Good day, everyone. Welcome to Go Tutorials. But before anything else, hit that like button, comment down below, share this post, and follow. And if you haven't been subscribed yet, smack the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can be more updated for new videos. And in this video, you can watch videos about education, tutorials, and many more. For our topic for today, we will be discussing about while loop and for loop. Let's know our technical terms. First, for loop, a repetition control structure. For loop is a control flow statement for specifying iteration which allows code to be executed repeatedly. Second, infinite loop that never finishes. An infinite loop occurs when a condition allows evaluates to true. Third, loops. Repeat a task again and again. Loops are very handy if you want to run the same code over and over again, each time with a different value. Fourth, while loop. Executed when certain condition is met. A while loop is a control flow statement that allows code to be executed repeatedly based on a given Boolean condition. The while loop can be thought of as a repeating if statement. To know more about our topic, let's do it. Read each statement below carefully. First, repetition or iteration structure is called looping. Second, term for a loop that never finishes is infinite loop. Third, it pertains to a step-by-step execution of program is sequential structure. Fourth, the repetition of a process in a computer program, usually done with the help of loops, is iteration. Fifth, among the three major types of loops, for loop is the most commonly used. This type is utilized when you both know the starting point and the end point of the loop. A brief introduction to our lesson for today. Iteration in computer programming. Iteration is also a technical term that relates to repeating a sequence or series of an instructions over and over. Iteration is the repetition of a function or process in a computer program. Iteration of functions are common in computer programming since they allow multiple blocks of data to be processed in sequence. This is typically done using a while loop or for loop. Iteration or repetition structure. Another term for this is looping. This enables statements or a set of statements to be repeated again and again until condition is met. Repetitive control structures, also referred to as iterative structures, are groupings of code which are designed to repeat a set of related statements. This repetition can repeat 0 or more times until some control values or condition causes the repetition to cease. Looping statement in Java. Looping statements are the statements execute one or more statements repeatedly several numbers of times. In Java programming language, there are three types of loops: while, for, and do while. Why use loop? When you need to execute a block of code several number of times, then you need to use looping concept in Java language. Here are some reasons why you use loop. Loop reduce length of code and it take less memory space. And the burden on the developer is reducing. Time-consuming process to execute the program is reduced. The difference between conditional and statement. Conditional statement executes only once in the program, whereas looping statements executes repeatedly several number of times. And while loop in Java, loops are used to execute a statement repeatedly until a particular condition is satisfied. This subtype enables the loop of procedures to be executed until a certain condition condition is met. The syntax of the while loop is: first, a while loop evaluates the text expression inside the parentheses. Second, if the text expression evaluates to true, the code inside the while loop is executed. Third, the text expression is evaluated again. Fourth, this process continues until the text expression is false. Fifth, when the text expression evaluates to false, then the loop stops. And here is the flowchart of while loop. For loop in Java, loops are used to execute a set of statements repeatedly until a particular condition is satisfied. Java for loop is used to run a block of code for a certain number of times, and the syntax for loop is: first, the initial expression initialize and or declares variables and executes only once. Second, the condition is evaluated. If the condition is true, the body of the for loop is executed. Third, the update expression updates the value of initial expression. And fourth, the condition is evaluated again. The process continues until the condition is false. Now, remember, iteration is when same procedure is repeated multiple times. Iteration allows to simplify algorithms by stating to repeat certain steps until told otherwise. It makes designing algorithms easier because it don't have to include lots of unnecessary steps. Let's check your understanding by answering this test. Reorder the letter in the box to form the word that deposits the statement. Number 1. A type of loop that is utilized when both the starting point and end point of the loop. And the answer is for loop. Second, the subtype enables the loop to be executed until a certain condition is met. The answer is while loop. Third, it is the repetition of a process in computer program usually done with the help of loops. It is iteration. And that ends our presentation. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next videos. If you are not subscribed to this channel, may I ask you to please subscribe, comment down below, share, follow, and hit the notification bell and choose to be notified in all the videos that we are going to upload only here at Go Tutorials. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.